Directed energy weapons, the speed of light arsenal. Directed energy weapons, the speed of light arsenal. Imagine destroying incoming missiles, disabling enemy electronics, and neutralizing threats using nothing but focused light beams that travel at 186,000 miles per second. Directed energy weapons have moved from science fiction to battlefield reality, with the United States military deploying its first operational laser system aboard the USS Ponce in 2014. High-energy laser systems offer unprecedented advantages over conventional weapons. They provide virtually unlimited ammunition as long as power is available, eliminate logistical supply chains for projectiles, and deliver precise effects at the speed of light. Modern systems can engage multiple targets simultaneously while operating silently and invisibly outside the visible spectrum. The military has developed two primary categories of directed energy weapons: high-energy lasers for destroying physical targets and high-powered microwave systems for disabling electronics. Laser weapons excel at counter-drone operations, short-range air defense, and precision strikes against rockets and artillery. Microwave weapons can disable entire electronic systems without causing permanent damage to infrastructure. Current operational systems include truck-mounted laser platforms capable of destroying unmanned aerial vehicles and small boats. The Army's High-Energy Laser Scaling Initiative aims to develop more powerful systems capable of engaging larger threats like aircraft and missiles. These weapons represent a fundamental shift in military capability, providing commanders with precise, scalable effects that can be tailored to specific threats. The cost-effectiveness of directed energy weapons becomes apparent in sustained operations. While each laser shot costs only dollars in electricity, conventional interceptor missiles cost hundreds of thousands of dollars each. This economic advantage makes directed energy systems ideal for defending against swarm attacks and asymmetric threats.